What you do, it's your boy Heavy Crypto, and you already know what we do on this channel. We always find ways to make money with Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, and everything related to cryptocurrency. So recently, you already know that I started a challenge of turning 20 USD to 1000 USD by simply taking advantage of Solana meme coins and stuff like that. And from 1000 USD, we're gonna take it all the way to 100 USD by simply repeating the same methods that I'm about to show you in this video. And I'm gonna show you how exactly I was able to turn 20 USD to over 100 USD within one day and stuff like that. So that's actually like 5x. If I had put like, let's say 1000 USD, I would cash out like 5k USD, you know what I mean? So basically this is a wallet that I've been using, and you can see that right now currently sitting at 75 USD, and I'm gonna show you all the transaction, how exactly I started from yesterday, you know what I mean? So this was yesterday because I started with 20 USD, and you can see that I did a deposit of at least 0.126 with worth of Solana, which is equivalent to 20 USD. By the time it was equivalent to 20 USD, but currently right now is at 18 USD. So that's the amount that I deposited to this wallet to start this challenge. And then I ended up swapping this coin called LQC, and you can see that this was my first transaction, and you can also view it on Solana scan. All right, you can see how much I swapped for and get this amount of LQC, you know what I mean? So I know a lot of you might be wondering how exactly did you find this coin, but we're gonna get to that later. So this is just a proof of my wallet address, the way it was going up and stuff like that. I managed to make at least 5x from this challenge. And what I do is to get this kind of pumps and stuff like that, I follow a lot of traders on Twitter. So this guy called Neurotics, this is not a paid promotion or something like that. I just follow this guy because his calls works and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So you can see that he pretty much tweeted this tweet and saying that he loved this coin LQC, and he also posted it on his Telegram. So I pretty much got in early, but then I was sleeping. It should be like 9x by now, but I pretty much missed out a lot and stuff like that. But I just want to show you a chart of what really happened to this coin. All right, so you can see that this is the coin LQC to Solana. So you can see that he tweeted around 4. He tweeted around this time right here, and then it went down from this point, like 70% to the downside. I was like, ah, cool, and then started pumping to the upside after some few hours. All right, so during this time I was sleeping, but then I ended up selling around these levels right here. I made like 70% by the time, so I decided to swap it back to Solana and find a new coin to buy, you know what I mean? So right here you can see that I swapped that coin right here to Solana right here for 0.22 Solana right here. All right, so I pretty much made like 70% or something like that, and then I had over 40 USD, and then I used that 40 USD to buy more coins again. And right now you can see that this coin is still going up and stuff like that, but there's a high possibility that it can actually go down again. But I really love this pump, like 2x again right here. So he tweeted about this coin, and then I bought in, and I saw it earlier today because I changed my mind and decided to buy this coin called Toby. All right, so Toby was also pumping hard. Is a shit coin, that made me like 5x today in the morning. So I'll show you where exactly I entered and how much money I made from Toby. But anyway, wow, this shit keeps on going up. Right now it has pumped like 700%. I wish I didn't sell. So you can see that I swapped that coin for Solana and got like 40 USD, and then I decided to buy this coin called Toby right here. You can see that I swapped that Solana that I got, which was equivalent to at least 40 USD. So this is a transaction again right here. Swapped the whole amount, and I got this amount of Toby right here. I pretty much follow these guys, to be honest, because this calls pretty much like works, to be honest, compared to those Telegram calls and stuff like that. So this guy called out Toby, and this is the chart for Toby. I bought Toby right here, and it went up like 100x, and then I sold it, and then I bought back somewhere else around these levels again. And this was a transaction right here. You can see that now I had like 0.3 Solana, trying to push it to 100 so that we can flip that 100 to 1000 USD. All right, so I bought in again right here. This is the transaction, and then I sold right there at the top, and got like 75 USD. And right now my wallet is sitting at 75 USD, and I'm still trying to look for opportunities and stuff. All right, so basically what I do is I pretty much follow all these calls from Twitter, and most of these calls pretty much, you know, give you like 5x or 10x or so. I'm just gonna leave my wallet address in the description below, as just so that you can see what coins I'm buying and stuff like that as we continue this 20 USD to over 1000 USD challenge, you know what I mean? So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to share about this challenge, therefore send the video, but we're gonna continue until we hit that 100k, and we're gonna announce again from 1000 USD to 100 USD. So I started this challenge with 20 USD, and this is how my wallet looks like right now, sitting at 75 USD. All right, so we're going to try to flip this 75 USD to over 1000 USD, and from 1000 USD we're going to start a new challenge. So if you want to join this challenge, make sure you join my group in the description below as well, because that's where I'll be sharing every time what I'm doing and stuff like that. Therefore, send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.